So we shall go for the next concepts. The concept. This is a counter for other sequence. So far with respect to the counters, what we have discussed is like it is either up counter or down counter. Up counter or down counter in the sense we need viewer was to construct a circuit diagram. It should count in a upward direction or downward direction. Upward direction means like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I written the binary. So it has to count from 0 to 7. This is up counter. Down counter means it has to go in a reverse manner. This was what we discussed in the previous videos. Okay. So but in your examination, so they will ask you to construct a circuit diagram in such a way that it has to produce the output in the given sequence. They will give the sequence. So the circuit is supposed to produce the output in that particular manner. Okay. So for example, the sequence will be of like this. First it has to produce 0, 0, 0. After 0, 0, it has to produce 1, 0, 0. So far what we discussed, 0, 0, 0. After 0, 0, so it was supposed to produce 0, 0, 1. But now it's not like this. They will give the sequence of their own type. Okay. So first it is supposed to be 0, 0, 0. Then it will go to 1, 0, 0. After 1, 0, 0, it is supposed to go to 111. After 111, it has to come to 0, 1, 0. After that 0, 1, 1. After it should come back to 000 once again. So we need to construct a circuit where the output for every clock pulse it has to display like this. For the first clock pulse like 0, 0, 0. Next clock pulse 1, 0, 0. After next clock pulse 111. So next clock pulse 0, 1, 0. Next clock pulse 0, 1, 1. Like this. They will give the sequence in that particular sequence manner. It is supposed to produce the output. Okay. So far what we discussed in the previous videos is either up counter or down counter. That was the thing. So here they will give the sequence and they will ask you to construct the circuit diagram by using either D flip-flop or T flip-flop or JK flip-flop or SR flip-flop. They will specify which flip-flop you are supposed to use and they will give the sequence. In that particular sequence the output has to be produced. So in such manner we are supposed to construct the circuit. This is our thing. Okay, we shall deal with that one now. Okay, so now they are given a sequence. This is the sequence. So we need to construct a circuit by using T flip-flop. That particular circuit diagram need to produce the output in this manner. Okay, how to construct now? So first what is the thing here? First the thing is it starts from 0, 0, 0, right? So right now the present state is 0, 0, 0. CBA refers to present state. C plus B plus A plus refers to the next state. Okay. So the present state starting state is 0, 0, 0, right? So I have written 0, 0, 0. So once it is done with 0, 0, 0, what is the next state? 1, 0, 0. So C plus B plus A plus is next state. No, 0 after 0, 0, 0, it is supposed to go 1, 0, 0. Okay. So after 1, 0, 0, it is supposed to go 111. So here it is 1, 0, 0. First you are supposed to write 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0 like in a proper manner, in a proper count 0 to 7. Okay. So next you should in the second column you should write the next state. For each and every state you should write the next state. So if 0, 0 is the present state, what is the next state according to this diagram? 1, 0, 0. So after 0, 0, 0 it is supposed to go 1, 0, 0. Okay. After 1, 0, 0 it is supposed to go to 111. Where is 1, 0, 0? Here it is 1, 0, 0. After 1, 0, 0 it is supposed to go 1, 1, 1. Okay. After 1, 1, 1 it is supposed to go 0, 1, 0. Where is 1, 1, 1? Here it is 1, 1, 1. It is supposed to go 0, 1, 0. After 0, 1, 0 it is supposed to go 0, 1, 1. Where is 0, 1, 0? 0, 1, 0 is here. After 0, 1, 0 it is supposed to go 0, 1, 1. So after 0, 1, 1 it is supposed to go back to 0, 0, 0. After 0, 1, 1 it is supposed to go 0, 0, 0. Okay, we have left with a few unfilled blocks. Like what is supposed to be done when it goes to the state 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. It never goes to the state 0, 0, 1 because there is no 0, 0, 1 in the state. So that means that the circuit which we are constructing will never move to the state 0, 0, 1 and 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. It should never move to these states. It should never move to this state, and this state. Why? Because these three numbers are not appeared in the, they have not given in the sequence. So that particular circuit diagram should never move to these states. So such for this state there won't be a next state. So I have written dash dash dash. Okay. So after doing this, we are supposed to the same thing I have written here, CB and C plus B plus A. So we are supposed to write TC, TB, TA. So because we are supposed to construct the circuit diagram by using T flip flop, so TC, TB, TA. So if you want to fill a TA column, you need to compare A with A plus. If you want to fill TB column, you need to compare B with B plus. If you want to fill the TC column, you need to compare C with C plus. So okay, if you want to fill this TA, TB, TC, we need to know how the T flip flop is going to work here. So T flip flop is something like this. If the present state and next state both are same, 0 0, or it might be 1 and 1. If both are same, like here it is 0 0, so present state is Q, next state is Q plus. So if both the data are same, like 0 0, 1 and 1, then the output will be 0 0. If the present state and the next state both are same, then the T will be 0 and 0. If the present state and the next state differs, like here it is 0, here it is 1, here it is 1, here it is 0, then the output will be 1 and 1. Getting? So present state to next state ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಇದ್ರೆ 0 0 ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಇಲ್ಲ 1 1 ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ 0ನೇ. ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟು ಡಿಫರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ 0 1 1 0 ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ, so the output will be 1 1. So now you are supposed to fill this one. Okay, so just compare 0 0, A with G, both are 0 0. So if both are 0 0, output is 0. So compare A with A plus and fill TA. So here it is 0 and 0, write it as 0. Okay, then 0 0, write it as 0. Here it is 0 1, differs. It is here it is 0, here it is 1. So 0 1 means 1, write it as 1. So we don't have the next state here, so just fill it with don't case. So we don't know, right? So we are supposed to take it as don't case. So similarly for these dashes, don't case. Okay, so now here 0 1 differs, so write it as 1. 1 1 same, write it 0. 0 0 same, write it 0. So here 1 0 differs, write 1. 1 0 differs, write 1. 0 0 same, write it 0. 0 1 0 1 differs, so write it as 1 1. And here 1 and 1 same, write it as 0. Okay, similarly 1 0 differs, write it as 1. 1 and same, so write it as 0. 1 0 differs, write it as 1. So you filled with TA, TB, TC. You got 3 columns. So now you are supposed to construct KMF for TA column, KMF for TB column, and KMF for TC column. So here it is. So this is next state. This KMF is belongs to this one. They have taken dashes as don't case. So A column, B column, C column, they have constructed A column KMap, B column KMap, and C column KMap. This is not required to construct the circuit. Okay, so we need to concentrate on TA, TB, TC. So TA, TB, TC column is here. Okay, so we have got TA column, TB column, and TC column. We need to construct KMap for TA column, TB column, and TC column. Okay, so look at here. Here it is. This is TA column KMap. Like it should, the boxes should be filled in this manner, this number format manner, like 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so here it is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So like this will be in the common format, like 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so when you're filling this column with this KMap, you need to fill with respect to format 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, similarly for this and similarly for this. So after you fill with this, you need to group like this. So if you group this, you're going to get C. If for this squad, you're going to get B, the equation for T is C plus B. Similarly, you get two pairs here. So the equation for these two is C bar A and C B bar, and here also you get two pairs. So the equation for this is C bar B bar plus CB. Okay, you got three equations: TC, TB, TA. These three equations are most important in constructing the circuit diagram. Okay, so now we shall concentrate on circuit diagram. Here is the circuit diagram for T flip-flop. So as we all know, we are concentrating on A, B, C. So A, B, C means we are supposed to make use of three flip-flops. So this is A flip-flop, B, C, TA, TB, TC. All of them are clock. These clock pulses are commonly connected to clock. Okay, so this particular flip-flop works for the negative edge trigger because we have a bubble here. Okay, this is A and A bar, B and B bar, C and C bar. So normally you used to write Q and Q bar, no? Like this, the output for this flip-flop is A. This is inverted of A bar. This is B and inverted of B bar. This is C and inverted of C bar. Okay. You have got an equation for TA. What is the equation? TA is equal to C plus B. Okay. Plus means OR gate. So they have written an OR gate. So C plus B means one connection is supposed to be taken from C. Where is C? Here it is C. Take a connection from this to give it to here. So from here to here you are supposed to take a connection. This is C. And B, from here to here you are supposed to take a connection from B. So TA is over now. So now what is TB? C bar A plus CB bar. So C bar A, here it is, CB bar, two AND gates. Both are combined by an OR gate because this is plus, this is multiplication. So C means take a connection from C, B bar means take a connection from B bar, C bar means take a connection from C bar, A means take a connection from A. Similarly. So similarly for TC, C bar B bar plus CB. This is C bar B bar and CB. Take a connection from C bar, take a connection from B bar, take a connection from C, take a connection from B. Fill it. That's it. This is a counter using T flip-flop for the specified sequence. Whatever the sequence they are given, for the respect to that particular sequence, they are given the this is this is a circuit diagram. Okay, they have given a waveform here. So look at this waveform. This is C000. Okay, so if this is a clock pulse, this works for the negative edge trigger because look at here. So bubble, negative edge trigger. So we need to concentrate on falling edge like this. Okay. So this is CBA. It's not C plus B plus A. This is CBA, means present state. When all are present state 0, 0, 0, what is TC, TB, TB? So look at here. When 0, 0, 0, so TC is 1, TB is 0, and TA is 0, 1, 0, 0. Look at here. This is 1, 0, 0. High, low, low. Okay, when this is 1, 0, 0, where is this? Here it is 1, 0, 0. The output is 0, 1, 1. 0, 1, 1. So when triple 1, the output is for triple 1, 1, 0, 1 is the output. Look at here, triple 1, 1, 0, 1 is the output. Like this they have written the waveform. Okay, this is so with respect to the T flip-flop. So let me see how to construct the how can we construct the same thing for the same sequence by using D flip-flop now. So this is a circuit diagram by D flip-flop. So the same sequence we need to construct a circuit by using D flip-flop now. Let me tell you. Okay.